Hey, hello guys, welcome back again. This is Suresh from Azure Automation channel. Today in this session we're going to learn about Python type conversions. So in the last session we have seen receiving input using input function from user defined variables or user defined values. So if you are new to this session, do watch the test session and let's get started. So this is a project that we are creating some examples. This is a test demo of project 1. So I'm going to create a new Python directory or Python file. So Python file, it's Python type conversions. So here, now what I want to do, I wanted to do subtraction using a user defined variables with existing value. So how we need to do? So for example, I'm going to use input 1 equal to input function. So input function provides us to uh, accept the user defined variables from the runtime. So now I'm gonna add some comment here or function, whatever that we are trying to do. So let's say enter value per subtraction, right? And we're gonna take this in a hyphen, right? In the next line, what we're gonna do is, so I wanted to print this value before I accept it. So I wanted to know which type of function or which type of value that I'm entering. So for that, what I will do, print. So to know which type of value that we are entering in Python, we have a function called type. So this is a type where we can provide or we can get the which type of value that we are entering. So that will get the type and print on our console. So for example, I wanted to know the input type that what we are entering. So let me right click and run this program. So for example, I'm gonna type 10. So it says class string. So it is of string, it is giving the value as string. So I wanted to do subtraction. So how I need to do? So for example, total equal to, I'm gonna use some value which is predefined value which is 4, and I'm gonna use minus, then I will get the input 1. Now I'm gonna print this total. So guess the answer. So pause the video and guess the answer how it will get the result what based on our input value that we are providing. So will it give the error or will it give the solution of total? So let right click and run again. So I'm gonna enter 5. So it's given error. So error says that we are trying to give the string value, or we are providing the input as integer only in terms of what user is entering, but actually we are providing the string variable or string value, but we are trying to do the total based on int minus int, so which is not accepting here. So we need to convert this string to an integer. So how we're going to do in Python? So in Python we have functions called, like how we have get the type, similarly we have the function called int. So under int we need to provide input 1. So what it will do, it will take the whatever value, whichever value it may be, that value will be directly converted to the integer value here. So now what it will do, it will do the total of 4 minus whatever user enters value, that value, and total value will be printed in my console. So first I will provide some meaningful sentence here. Total value is, and concatenate. Now I'm gonna save this and quickly execute this program. Now I'm gonna enter value as 2. So 4 minus 2 is 2, but I still got the error. So reason, just pause the video and know what is the reason. And if you don't know, let's see what is the reason that we have getting this error again. So it is saying that can only concatenate string, not the integer to the string. So what happened right here? So we are initially taken a value which is of string, then we converted that string to the integer, then we did some arithmetic operation, then after we are trying to put that value concatenating with our print statement. But in a print statement, what it is trying is, it is trying to get the string, but we have entered the integer value. So it is a very simple, as we are discussing on the type conversion. So I'm gonna convert this type to string. To convert that type as a string, we have a function called str. Here under str, I'm gonna type total. Right, now I'm gonna save this and run as again. So I'm gonna enter now value as 10. So you can see it has taken a class as string. So initially what we are trying to provide is string, then after it did the arithmetic operation here. So 4 minus 10 is minus 6, so minus 6 is printed in our console. So do try your own example, try to do find the age, try to find some addition operation, division operation. So try different examples and explore more on this type conversions. So if you get any questions, queries or errors, do comment in my comment box. I will help you out. And I hope this session is helpful for you. In case if you're new to my channel, do subscribe to my channel and do post a like if the session is helpful for you. Thank you.